Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have ASUS A10 and I want to show you how to see available random access memory on this device. Our first step to see that is opening settings application. In it, we must activate our develop mode. To do that, scroll down to about table selection and look for our build number, because we need to activate our develop mode first to see our available RAM. To do that, tap sometimes on our build number and now enter our look screen to confirm our choice. Now when we are in develop mode, go back to the system option when we have new additional selection, developer options. In it, first memory, and now we can read that we have free 2.2 GB of our RAM. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!